guys, today we're at Maple View Farm. So this isn't like only a farm, but look, there's a huge cow there. Moo, moo. But this is just like the part of the farm. The visitor center is all the way up the road. We'll go there. There you can get ice cream, milk, and butter. But today we're gonna get ice cream. We usually get butter and milk at here and stuff. Yeah, but this is the area where they keep all the cows. The milk is freshly produced from these cows, brown cows and black and white cows. That's the part of this cows here, and as you can see, we can finally see a brown and white cow. I've never seen a brown and white cow before. I've only seen black and white and fully brown cows. Look, there's a brown and black cow down there. It's sleeping, I think. There's a brown cow all the way far there, and there's hundreds of cows here. Calves, but they're just a bit smaller than the grown-ups, but that one there isn't even half. That's just like half the size. So awesome. That's where they take the milk from the cow. There's milk here without any antibiotics and stuff like that in it. Let's go to the visitor center so we can get some ice cream. I got two. I got Death by Chocolate, and I got this banana split banana and chocolate. I got one. That's the reason I can't go. Eating ice cream and watching sunset makes my evening. Do you like chocolate chips? What we had in our hands all that time was a fire splash. It was so cool. It crawled all over my hand. Fireflies glowing. Come on. There. You see that? Fireflies. That's such a nice view here. I'm gonna try to catch one. I'm gonna catch one now. Come on. Not gonna. Oh, it flew away. So cool. Yay, Daddy. Daddy, come on. I got one. Oh. Fly away. This is so awesome. Catching fireflies here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like. Turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss any new updates. Bye! That firefly was so cool.